We're getting supper started this afternoon, y'all. Once again, the family wants salmon patties. So I'm out here on the back porch preparing these. Just so it doesn't stink the kitchen up too bad. Gnarly!
Yeah, because Taco Betty's truck.
This truck's boring. Man, is somebody wanting to bring this applesauce?
Yeah.
Okay.
Younger people wonder where the AC is in these old trucks. Of course, this one could be fixed, but I choose not to. I got this deal right here that blows all the air I need.
Can you adjust it like high or low or anything?
I'm on medium right there.
Okay.
I would rather drive this truck than a new one. I like this truck. This thing drives really good. One thing I can say about these old trucks right here is it's always going to take a human to drive it. You won't never pass one of these right here without a driver. No way. It's going to take a human being to drive this one.
We'll show y'all how busy Helen is. This is a Thursday. So far, not too bad. Now on Fridays and Saturdays and first part of the day, you think on Sundays, it's backed up already right here.
Yeah, like when we go to church.
We have to drive through here, so we have to leave early,
Yeah, we have to leave early. You never know, it could be backed up way out of town.
Especially on a holiday.
Right. But like days like today, it's not real bad.
There's another way we could go, but that's not a fun way.
No, we want
You want to go through? Mountain coaster's busy, looks like. We've told y'all this before. We have ridden, not every, because there's a few new ones, but
I rode a bunch of them.
They have ridden almost every mountain coaster in Pigeon Forge and Gatlinburg.
And they're the best.
And this one in Helen is better than any of those so far. It's smoother.
It's very smooth, very fast too. When it comes down through there, it's really moving. You put two people on that thing, and you're talking about really getting down. You can really get on down through there.
Yeah, see right here, we're right in the middle of town now here at the bridge, and it's not backed up. There's a long, stretch between us and the next people. Sometimes it's bumper to bumper.
This truck's really got a good sound to it too, like if you come down through here.
Yeah.
It really has a lot of rumble.
Oh,
people think you're on a Harley.
You smell something? Steaks and funnel cakes? That's what Helen smells like.
Yeah, it does. There's a lot of good smells here, folks.
Yeah. This is a cafe and pizza pizza place here we haven't tried yet, and there's another burgers and pizza place that we need to try.
Yeah. We got a few different places we hadn't
There's
tried.
Betty's.
Betty's.
When it's busy, those chairs right there in front of Betty's are just people just sitting there watching.
That's what you do in life. It's all about sitting down watching.
Yeah.
Me and one of my customers was talking about going to Pigeon Forge and Gatlinburg. Me and Fallon take the kids up there a few times a year, so we go, enough that we know what the deal is. And he's been up there, all his life too, Anyway, his girlfriend had never been up there, so he took her up there. And he said when they got there, they went and put their stuff up and went out on the balcony. And she goes, "Okay, so what do we do?" And he says, "We're doing it." That's it.
Yeah.
Sit here on the balcony and watch the traffic.
Watch
go
everybody else, see what they're doing. When I was a kid, I always saw adults doing that, and I was like, I thought it was the most boring thing ever, but now that's what you want to do,
That's what you want to do.
You want to just sit and watch. Because you know that you might leave on full, but when you get back, you'll be on empty.
Bill full.
Yeah.
Bill full. It ain't even full if it's us. You're leaving just a little above it.
You might be close to a quarter.
You're up to a quarter. You think you feel like you're on full. You know what I mean? Like if you're on our level, you're up to about a quarter. You're like, man, we got it this week. We
Yeah.
got it this week, buddy. You walk down them stairs, go up that street, get you a funnel cake or two.
The light starts flashing.
Heaven forbid you get you a wolf t-shirt howling at a moon or
With
something.
your name on it.
Gatlinburg on it.
10 miles to empty.
Come back. The light's on.
Necessities of fishing. Mosquito spray.
Can you shrink my fish rod?
Yeah.
They're still getting ready up there. Are you looking for worms?
Actually, I am going to look for worms. See if I can find some. I'm going down there to say with Mama. Close your eyes.
We've got peanut butter oat balls, which it was full, but that's everybody's favorite. Cocoa rolls, cookies, bananas, applesauce, and I brought these.
Them
guys are
really good.
This is how it looks.
Susie's hat is stuck to her hair.
Man, Cece, how'd you get this in here?
Got it, I got it. Are you getting any bites?
I'm ready. It takes time.
Yeah, it takes time. You gotta be patient when you fish, right? He said this is where the fish are at, Daddy. That's why they're not biting for him up there. They're over here.
Yeah.
Is that what the problem is?
I got stuck in a tree.
You saw some fish, Tyler? If you see fish when you're fishing, that counts as something happened. Oh, that's nice.
What is this? Bear droppings. Bear droppings.
No, that's charcoal.